capacity 5 cups brand Keurig color Sandstone special feature manual material plastic. What's in the box? 1 water filter handle, and 1 filter to help ensure your beverages taste their absolute best. BREWS multiple cup sizes. Enjoy the most popular cup sizes, all with QUIET brew technology, minimizing noise during use. Strong brew kicks up your coffee's strength and intensity. Large 52 ounces water reservoir allows you to brew 5 cups before having to refill, saving you time and simplifying your morning routine. Removable reservoir makes refilling easy. Simple button controls. Just insert a pod, select your desired cup size, and brew a great tasting cup in under a minute. Removable drip tray accommodates travel mugs up to 7.4 tall and holds a full accidental brew for easy cleanup. Dispense hot water. Open and close the brewer handle and select your cup size for hot water on demand.